This video tutorial explains profitability ratios. Profitability ratios measure the firm's efficiency in generating profits and are measured in percentage points. Of the many profitability ratios, here we consider the most popularly used ratios like net profit ratio, return on assets, and return on equity. So we calculate these ratios on a 5-year data. Now net profit ratio equals to net profit by sales into 100. We are multiplying it with 100 because we want to calculate this in percentage point. So net profit ratio equals to net profit of a company during the year 2009 divided by sales into 100. It is 7.5%. So in the year 2009, the net profit ratio is 7%. That means of the total sales of 100, the company made a profit of 7%. In the year 2010, it is 14, 20, 2011, 20, 2012, it is 15, and 2013, it is 15.2. Next is return on assets. Return on assets equals to net profit divided by total assets into 100. This equals to net profit divided by total assets into 100. And finally, return on equity. Return on equity equals to net profit divided by equity into 100. So this equals to net profit divided by equity, which is a net worth, which means paid up share capital plus reserves and surpluses if any, into 100. That's how we calculate all the profitability ratios. Among this net profit ratio, the higher the net profit ratio, the better it is. So if you look at in the year 2011, net profit ratio is 20%, and after that in 2012 it decreases by 5%. Then in 2013 it remained constant or similar to 2012.